In this video, I show how I custom make some ceiling lights for my camper. Also, don't forget to check out the links down below which show some of our awesome glamping rentals in the Southern California desert. So my camper is a 1999 camper and it came with these fluorescent lights up above, and one of these like blew out and it screwed up my electrical system. So I removed them and this is what I'm going to build. These little LED lights, and I've got this ABS plastic sheet and I've done my measurements. We're going to cut some holes in them with this brand new, really sharp hole saw. It's brand new. It comes in rust color.
It does not look brand new.
Of course it is. On YouTube repairs. It's really okay, so I think we're all done. We're going to try to hit the light switch and we're going to see magic happen. Ooh, look at that.